Hi traders, today I'm going to go through why the size of a price action setup is so important when we're looking to enter trades. So just to begin with, I want to go through just briefly how I do trade the Forex markets in case you haven't seen any of my videos. As you can see, my charts are nice and clean, there's no indicators on there. It's all about trading with pure price action. So to begin with, I'll start on the daily charts and I'll mark a support level and a resistance level, and then I can head on down to lower time frames, keeping these levels on the charts to look for price action setups. So if we just head on down to the 4-hour chart, highlighted in the green box, we've got an engulfing bar, and this is to highlight what I mean by a large price action setup and what they look like. So as you can see, to start with, let's look at the structure of the price action setup. So this is an engulfing bar, it's a bullish engulfing bar, and for it to be an engulfing bar we want the low and the high to engulf the previous low and high of that candle, which it does. So this is a nice bullish engulfing bar. The second criteria I'm looking for is the size of that price action setup. So I want it to be larger than the previous candles that are formed. So as you can see, we've got a very nice size bullish engulfing bar, and if we compare it against the size of all the other small candles, it's a lot larger. So this means this is a valid price action setup. And a good question to ask yourself before entering any trade is to consider, if we went 6 months into the future now and we came back to this chart, and would this setup stand out? Would it make us wish we had taken the trade? And because it's such a large setup, it would stand out, and so it is a setup I would like to take. In comparison, if you're a trader that just requires the price action to be structurally valid, I can show you an example, and I'll just go through why I wouldn't take the trade. So the actual candle I want to talk about is this candle. Now it's actually a bullish pin bar. It's valid because it closes within the previous candle, and the wick, the thin pointy part, is 3 times the length of the body in white. So structurally it's valid. It's forming at a key level and it's shown rejection. But for me, it's not enough. Yes, we've got the structure, but we haven't got that second part, which is the momentum. So it's not a trade I'd look to take. It doesn't give me the indication that it's a powerful price action setup and that it's going to make the market push on up. So this video was just to highlight how what I consider is a valid price action setup, and how size I think is so important, and it gives us the information that we're trading with the current momentum. If this video has helped you out at all, please give me a like or a nice comment. You can always subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.